over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in positive MACD. We're at overbought levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we remain in positive MACD and at overbought condition with the RSI. We continue to bounce right off the 100 moving average, this orange line, acting as our temporary support at a price of $1,777. With the daily chart, we still remain in positive MACD and we're approaching to overbought levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $162.32, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $168.92, and my stop loss is at $160.72. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $172.22, and my sell target is at $163.97. My stop loss is at $173.92. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 22% chance to climb between 0 to 3%, 11% chance to climb between 3 to 6%, and to the downside it has a 67% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.